Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as dual pane sunroof, Bose premium speaker sound system, as well as second row heated seating, lane keep assist, driver assistance package, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with lots of extra storage on the bottom here. You can access your rear liftgate. Like I said, it's going to come equipped with your Bose premium speaker sound system. You're going to have your power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your seat memory. You're going to have that wood grain and chrome accent finish. You have your Cadillac badging right there as well. Onto the seats, the heated driver adjustable lumbar, very comfortable. Cadillac seats. Onto the left, we're going to have our parking brake. And moving on to the steering wheel on the left side here, we're going to have our cruise control as well as our voice recognition. Down below, it's going to have forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and our heated steering wheel. Bottom right, seat track, and you have that wood grain in the steering wheel throughout. On the right side, our cluster control and our volume control. You can access your transmission fluid, your fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, as well as your speed, timer, and your follow distance, and so much more. You're going to have your push to start. Of course, you're going to have your climate control there as well. It's going to come equipped with Cadillac Maps Plus, as well as other apps, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can access your climate, and of course your OnStar services as well. Down below, you're just going to have a little storage compartment there. You're going to have your new Cadillac shifters, your cup holders, drive mode selectors as well, and of course your your infotainment selector, volume control. You're going to have a wireless charging pad, as well as lots of extra storage inside with the movable storage, and 2 USB ports and an SD card reader for your navigation. Passenger side's getting that same finish, power adjustable lumbar, heated. You're gonna have that wood grain throughout the door, across the dash, as well the Bose speakers up top. You're gonna have your OnStar services and your SOS, universal garage door opener, and as well your dual pane sunroof. You're gonna have these 18-inch aluminum wheels running on Michelin tires here with the paint match mirror cap and chrome keyless entry door handles. You're also gonna have a chrome luggage rack up top. Of course, you're gonna have your dual exhaust with a hands-free liftgate. Once we get in the back here, no splitter. You're gonna have lights on the side as well as your hooks on each side, a 12-volt DC port, and extra wheel well storage and tools if you know how to change the tire. Very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear here, we're gonna have our speakers just on the bottom of the door, cup holder and storage as well. Again, you have that wood and chrome accent finish with the power windows in the back. Once we hop in the back seat, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver seat, some little rear compartment storage and rear ventilation, as well as 2 USB ports right down below. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and right above you, the dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for watching today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, as well as dual pane sunroof, heated seats, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bose premium speaker sound system, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.